this is Sabariaz. In this video, I'm showing you soft party glam makeup look. After moisturization, I'm using NYX setting spray in dewy finish as a primer. This will shrink my pores and will provide clingy surface for the foundation. These three are the shades from the Kryolan TV paint stick. I mostly use them for color correction. Shade Chinese, Oriental and 508. Now priming my eyes with regular Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Cleaning and defining my brow area side by side. You can always change makeup techniques for your convenience. There is no strict rules and regulations. Carving brows with the charcoal black eyeshadow, making it a bit thicker for the eye look. Now using NYX Control and Freak Brow Gel to make my brow hairs stay in place. It's clear brow gel. For this particular look, I am using for the first time the Morphe Brushes 35T Top Eyeshadow Palette. It has a very good collection of taupe and the mauve eyeshadow shades. Starting from the light mauve shade, I am building the transition shades in my crease. Blending in sweeping motions from outer corner to the inner corner, just to soften the shade. Depositing a darker shade just to build the intensity in the crease. Applying concealer at the center of the lid in a triangular shape. Applying darkest mauve matte shade in the inner and the outer corner of the lid and blending it with the edges of the concealer, resulting in the formation of a halo. Now applying darkest brown shimmer shade on the sides of the triangle that I formed. Now putting some golden shade in the center of this triangle. This shade will make your eyelid to pop beautifully. Now using finger to build the intensity. Now using some loose pigment to increase the popping effect on the lid. I am applying this loose pigment with Abia's Beauty glitter glue that I bought recently. Tight lining is always important for every look. Now applying eyeliner with my favorite Focalure Super Fine Eyeliner Pen. I love its precise fine tip, creating a small wing at the corner, keeping the liner simple and natural. Highlighting my brow bone and the inner corner of the eyes. The foundation I am going to try is from Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. Fortunately, I got the testers from the local seller, as I got the limited shades in the tester packaging. So I will mix two shades for my face and I will use darker shade for the contour. It's full coverage foundation, easy to blend but dries very quickly and gives off soft matte finish. It's lightweight and not tacky on my skin. My under eye area is really dry, so I am not applying foundation there. Instead, I will apply concealer only. Applying darker shade of foundation for contour. Applying Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer on my under eye area because it goes very well for my dry under eye area. Now spraying some setting spray on my beauty blender, and I will set the concealer with it. Now time for some highlighter. I need to be very careful while putting highlighter over my nose due to the crooked part of my nose. A little mistake will make it really exaggerated. Now applying NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk in my lower waterline. Depositing fawn color eyeshadow over it to make it last longer. It seriously makes eyes to look even more open than usual. Now working on lower lash line. Blush application is the most crucial part of the makeup look. It gives healthy flush to the cheeks and lifts the whole makeup look. Always try to apply lip liner before lip color application. It defines your lip shape, it prevents lipstick from bleeding, and sometimes gives ombre effect if used in darker shade. The lipstick I am going to apply here is from Root Cosmetics Attitude Matte Lipstick in shade Stuck Up. It's beautiful mauvey maroon shade. It has really creamy and pigmented formula, glides on the lips really smoothly, and gives off kind of satin matte finish. Cleaning the edges with precise lip brush. Now applying some highlighter to give shiny popping effect to the lips. Finishing off with some mascara application, and I have applied falsies off the camera. So here is the finished look. I have listed every product that I have used for this look in the description box down below. Hope you will like this new look. Comment down below if you have any queries. Always take care of yourselves and love yourself first in order to love everyone around you. Bye.